Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update ngayong June 1 to 15, 2024. So, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Yan, paka-check nyo na lang kung gusto nyo mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Sagittarius. What's up with you? First half ng June. For Sagittarius. Whoa, the Tower. Merong kailangan ng i-let go. Maari ring, tinan mo yung parang you are still holding on to something pero gumuguho na siya. It's time to let go. It's time to release that. You have the Three of Pentacles. This is expansion of your finances, expansion ng career mo, business, trabaho. Alam niyo may mga bagay na kailangang masira, no? Para may mabuo ulit. Oo. Kumbaga, it's rehabilitation. Yan, that's what I'm hearing. Rehabilitation. Yung mga bagay na no longer working for you can be a career, relationship, business, na you are still holding on to it kasi akala mo okay pa. Pero kasi yung pundasyon niyan hindi na siya matatag, no? Kaya siya gumuguho. And now with the Three of Pentacles, this is about fixing things, no? Pag-ayos, you are rebuilding things. Oh, that's what I'm seeing. So yung iba sa inyo kung meron kayong kailangang i-let go na trabaho, at pakiramdam nyo it's time to let go, to release, then do it kasi meron namang bagong naghihintay for you. Okay, let's see what else. The Moon can be very emotional during this time, Sag. O, diba? Transformation, endings, and new beginnings. Nako, Sag. Kailangan nyo nang i-let go yan because it's time for a brand new you. Alam nyo yung instinct nyo, sobrang lakas. Alam nyo mismo na ito na yung time to end a situation, end a cycle in your life, and welcome a new chapter. Yes, tinan natin in what areas of life to. So, para sa iba, this is in yourself, sa sarili mo. Maaring meron kang babaguhin sa sarili mo, mga unhealthy habits. You're going to let that go para mas maging matatag ka, malakas, malusog, masigla. Pwedeng i-reinvent mo rin yung sarili mo. It's like you are releasing your old self to welcome a brand new you, a new version. What else? Oh, first house talaga, Sag. This is about yourself. Pwede rin tong hindi physical, pwede rin tong pananaw nyo sa buhay na you are letting that go kasi may nagbabago na, no, sa mga paniniwala ninyo. So, it's a brand new you. Let's see money, career, finances. Seven of Pentacles. Mga kailangan ng patience sa inyong career, trabaho, or business ngayon. Kasi kailangan nyo maghintay. Pero, once na mahintay nyo yan, you will be finally be in control of your career, your business. Siguro yung iba sa inyo, merong bagong posisyon sa trabaho, pwedeng meron sa inyong mapopromote. Mentorship. Someone is going to help you, teach you, to mentor you about your new career, your new business, para mas maayos mo or ma-manage mo yung negosyo mo, yung career mo, yung trabaho mo. Kasi importante rin naman yung mentor dahil sila yung talagang nagpapasa ng knowledge, ng experience. Although, iba-iba tayo ng experience and learning process, yung journey, but still, nakakatulong yung mentorship. So, if there is someone na willing na mag-share ng knowledge niya, ng skills niya sa'yo, Be open to that. Let's see sa love life naman. Love and family. Sagittarius. You have the King of Pentacles, so you may be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Two of Cups, the Empress. Okay, looking good pagdating sa relationship. Some of you, pwedeng meron ditong pregnancy. Okay, although hindi naman lahat, but I feel like there is a pregnancy here. Pwedeng ikaw or your partner. This is, I think you are dealing with someone who can provide for you, no? Kayang-kaya kang panagutan. At i-sustain or supportahan yung mga needs mo. Two of Cups. This person is really in love with you, no? If you are connecting with someone. But if you are single, possible that you will be meeting someone na, alam mo yung well-off, medyo may kaya sa buhay, no? Established na yung tao. Lalo na kung ikaw ay magbibigay rin ng attention sa sarili mo, like, you will practice self-love, self-care. Kasi syempre, let's face it, isa yan sa impression kasi ng tao, 'di ba? Yung physical looks. Not just the physical, but also how you, kung paano ma-presenta yung sarili mo. Oo, na very neat, maayos kang manamit, presentable, you take care of yourself. So that is very attractive, no? So I think someone is going to be attracted sa'yo ngayong first half ng June. Lalo na kung inaalagaan mo yung sarili mo. Yes, speaking of, you will also focus on your beauty, your physical appearance. And, syempre, ang beauty, hindi lang naman panlabas na anyo, diba? Importante rin yung pangloob na beauty. Sa ano'y natin yung magandang itsura kung masama ang ugali, diba? So, I think you're going to practice self-love, self-care. Like what I mentioned kanina, yung old self mo, no? Yun na yung nire-release mo. This is a brand new you. Passion and imagination. So, some of you are going to be in a passionate connection with someone. There's so much love, ina-express yung feelings towards each other. Some of you naman, this is about your career, your craft, no? Yung trabaho, yung business mo, yung pinagkakakitaan mo. You're going to be very passionate and creative. So, yung creativity mo na yan, this will bring you more abundance in your life. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring kayo ay mag-share din ng knowledge sa iba. You will also, parang ikaw na yung magiging mentor, no? I-share mo kung paano ka naging successful, tutulong ka sa iba kung paano rin sila maging successful. You are rising above. There's a new perspective in your life talaga. You are seeing a bigger picture. There's also freedom. I feel like ngayong first half ng June, para kang nakawala, no? Nakawala sa limitations mo. There's so much freedom. You can go to different places. You can explore. There's new direction. Bagong mga connections, mga new friends. I think makikilala mo sila, mamimit mo sila through your friends or through travel. Part of your exploration. There's also corset, which is about your boundaries. Yes, of course. Hindi porket malaya ka, you can do anything that you want. I mean, you still have boundaries. You still have limitations. Setting boundaries is also important kasi para hindi ka naaabuso ng ibang tao, no? Nati-take advantage. Meron ka mga ayusin na hindi mo pa naaayos na problema before. You are going to take responsibility for that. Importante na alam mo yun, no? Alam mo yung responsibilities mo at meron kang ginagawa para maayos yun. Yung iba may mga travel opportunities rin. Okay? Eliminate distractions. Stop shining light on things you are not. O, diba? You are going to focus on yourself. Hindi mo na hayaan na madidistract ka. Let's say, for example, lagi kang nasa social media, nagsa-scroll, pero hindi ka na productive. So, nagdi-distract ka na mag-focus sa sarili mo kung paano mo ma-improve ang sarili mo. 'Di ba? So, you are going to eliminate those distractions. Okay, so that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. Bye!